Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Live Reviewed. I hope you guys are doing well. My name is Deb and today we are back with another unboxing video. This here is the Boat Immortal IM1000D. This has been launched very recently. The Boat launched two gaming headphones. One is this 1000D and another one is the Immortal IM200, which is a little bit less on features. So yeah, let's do the unboxing of this. Let me tell you a bit about this first. This is the Immortal IM1000D, as we know, and this is made specifically for the PC. And one thing which is unheard of at this price point is this has Dolby Atmos. Dolby Atmos usually is present in headphones which costs around like more than 7,000, 8,000 rupees. And this one is I got it during the Amazon Prime day sale, and I got it for around 2,000, which is I would say which was quite a bargain. So this has 7.1 channel surround audio via both Plugins Labz, and also you can do that via the Dolby Atmos itself. The license is built in. As soon as you plug it in, the Atmos app will automatically activate the license. In the back side, this has 50 mm driver, so that's quite huge. This has breathable LEDs. Of course, it's a gaming headphone, and so it should have driver customization. Yeah, so it has its own software for customization. It has a remote control, which I really needed because I'll be using this mainly for my office conference calling and a little bit of gaming, but mainly for calls. Over here, this is an over ear headphone. This is also one thing which I really needed. Detachable mic, so this has two mics. This is also another good thing. So yeah, the two of the mics working together does a little bit of noise cancellation. Cosy earmuffs, yeah. ENx tech with driver denoising mic. We'll see that in the review how much noise cancellation it does. Secure braided cable, that's nice. And USB. So keep in mind, this does not have a 3.5 mm gaming 3.5 mm jack, but this has a USB only for PC. Yeah, the package contains this blah blah, we'll see that. And this is made in China. Boat is an Indian company, but yeah, they import it from China, and the MRP is stated as 5,999, so that is 6,000. So yeah, I got it for around 1/3 of the price. So and the color of this is black saber. So okay, this is too securely packed. Nice. Nothing else in the box. That's weird. Okay, I guess everything is packed. Let us keep this aside for a while and let's see what else is there. Okay, just bring this out. So we have some paperwork. Wow, nice. Stated yeah, about how to install the software and how to access your Dolby. So yeah, this will be important. Let me keep that aside. Apart from that, there is another one which lists what the other boat products. So yeah, so this has 1 year manufacturer warranty. Nice to know. And a sticker saying that I am a boat head. Nice. Now this is the 3.5 mm detachable mic. This is a boom mic. So this is another good thing. This is quite nice. This is the volume controls. Usually we have scroll volume controls there, but like your like the mobile phones these days, this has plus and minus, and these buttons, this is for turning off your RGB light. So that is one good thing. This is the mute button, that will be very important during the calls, and this is the, you can turn off the sound coming from the PC. So that's for that. USB, it's the braided cable, a little bit on the thinner side. We'll see how well this holds up. Now coming to this headphone, so yeah, a little bit of wire is, yeah, this is a bit awkward. Okay, so this is metal here, this is aluminum, this is plastic here, and this is the headband. It is not, you cannot turn this 180 degrees, this is fixed and over the ear, and I think this is plastic. Yeah, these are all plastic, just this is metal. So let me turn off the lights and show you the RGB. So I have turned on the lights, to show you properly the RGB effects of this. So as you can see, the effect, the breathability effect is a bit awkward. They say mentioned that it is breathable, but you can see that the light suddenly turns. It changes from green to suddenly to blue, and then from that suddenly to red. So that is not exactly breathable, but it has RGB. So yeah, that's that. I have a couple more things to say about this, but I will reserve those for my review video. Do keep an eye out for that. I will be posting that soon. And that's it for today, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, a like and sub to the channel would be great. And I will see you in the next one. Till then, stay safe, and yeah, goodbye.